Okay, so this fuel pump flange here has a lip on the outside. So part of an old fuel pump here, classic car. And the obviously what's happened here, as you can see by the raised portions where the bolt pattern goes through, these die-cast tops warp. But I can't just put this on a glass plate and flush it because the, I take off the outer lip. The inner lip is not as critical. I'm actually leaving most of that as well. But what I've done is taken a piece of 100 grit paper and put it on the outside of an old bearing race here. So once I get it on, as long as I keep moving it up to the wall of the bearing, I mean, look at the stuff coming off of it. Eventually we'll get that down to totally flush. So there we go.